can't tell. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and y'all share my video. But anyway, y'all, today's video is productive vlog, okay? Productive day in my life. So that's what we're gonna be doing, y'all. We got a lot of stuff to do on my to-do list. We gotta go get an oil change. We gotta run some errands. Yeah. We got gas, but we still need some more gas eventually before I come back home. And we gotta eat, y'all. We gotta eat. I don't know if I'm gonna get my nails done, y'all. I really want to. I really want to. But y'all, it's so much coming at me right now. Like, left and right. I gotta figure out, you know, the smart way to do this. So, yeah. I don't know because for my nails and my toes, it's like $140. So, I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. But if I do, of course, y'all know y'all going with me. So anyway, y'all, that's what this video gonna be all about. We're gonna be doing a lot of vlogging today. I'm gonna try my very hardest because we're supposed to be looking for fall decorations today. So I'm gonna try my hardest to go fall shopping today. Just a little bit. But it's like I want so much, y'all. Oh, y'all, I'm drinking water too. I normally don't drink water like that, but I said, let me drink some water today. And it's actually good because I put ice in it. That's the only way I can drink water, y'all. It got to be cold. If not cold, I got to have that ice in it. I got to. But anyway, y'all, we supposed to be going fall shopping today. Now, y'all know, if you don't know, I love Hobby Lobby. Like, that Hobby Lobby has become one of my favorite stores to go into because they got so much fall stuff. But I just don't want to eliminate myself to one store. You know what I'm saying? So, I think I'm going to try to go into Marshall's today. Marshall's, maybe TJ Maxx. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, because this is fall, y'all, so I want to feel like fall. You know what I'm saying? Like, so, yeah. But that's what we're supposed to be doing, y'all. I'm not going to be picking up a lot of stuff, y'all, because like I said, I'm trying to do this smart way, okay? I'm trying to take care of bills and just buy maybe 2 things for fall. Y'all, if it allow me, like, sometimes myself get in the way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all. That's what this video is all about. Like I said, I do want to get my nails and my toes done. I want to get it done so bad, y'all. But if I do, I'm probably only going to get one done, like one or the other. Either I'm gonna get my nails done or I'm gonna get my toes done. But I don't think I'm gonna get both today because, yeah, just because y'all know. Like, y'all know when life get in the way, y'all, like, you already know. But anyway, first off my to-do list, we're gonna go take care of the light bill. Yep, we're gonna go take care of the light bill and take care of the other bills and anything else, other bills that we gotta take care of. That's what we're gonna do first, y'all. I could wait on the food. I could wait on the gas, okay? Normally, y'all know I eat first and get the gas. But we're gonna switch it up this morning. We're gonna switch it up. So it is currently 9:15. It's 9:15, and I feel like I should go do what I gotta do. Okay, so let's go, y'all.
for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, bad.
Okay, y'all, so we are about to get some air. I feel like one of these tires need air in it, so that's what we about to do. About to get some air, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just I went to my cousin's shop. I didn't vlog that part, y'all, but he got me right. The tires are good. Now I'm about to go to pay the light bill now. Yeah, it's 9:55, so we got time. I thought I need some tires. I had to ask my cousin if I need some tires, because y'all, I was really about to buy some tires. Cause yeah, I don't be knowing. That's why I gotta ask. But yeah. Oh. So we're about to be on our way to go take care of the light bill. And I think the water bill down here too. So I'll go ahead and take care of the water bill too. I think really what I gotta do on my list, y'all, is I gotta get the car wash. No, I'm gonna get the car wash. And let me see. Maybe I can turn down here. Oh, is this my light? I think my light is up. Things I got on my list, really. I mean, I got decorating on my list too. But the main things I really got on my list is light bill, water bill. I got the air, so that's off my list. Yeah, I got the air and oil change. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, those are really the main things on my list. Air, oil change, light bill, water bill. And my nails were just gonna be something extra. Not really sure if I want to get my nails done, cause I gotta see, y'all. I gotta get the car wash. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do a lot. But I think the light bill is like $190, I think. So yeah. This water good, y'all. I don't even like water like that, but that water good. So yeah. And I need to get me an oil change. I normally go to the same people, y'all. Like, I try not to switch up the people I be going to for oil change, you know. So yeah. But we're about to pay this bill. Let me see, how do I get in here? Pit and green. This is where I need to be at, but how do I get? Oh shoot, y'all, I'm about to pass it. Right. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we just made that bill. And now, hey y'all, so now we're about to go pay another bill. Woo! Let's see. And I need to probably go to Food Line, maybe. Maybe Piggly Wiggly. Guess what? Business, honey. We taking care of business. I'm gonna give me something to eat soon. Is you turning? Okay. I'll go ahead and turn then. Okay, y'all. So we just paid another bill. Protein cold foam, sugar-free vanilla, chocolate, new banana, and pumpkin. Sugar-free vanilla. Okay, y'all, so I got a protein drink. It's called a vanilla cream. Let's try it real quick. That's not actually bad. And then I have sausage egg and cheese biscuit. So that's good, y'all. I'm trying to sit down and eat first, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we are about to go in. It's Fashion Metro. But I just want to find something nice, not too high, anything like that. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to get the car wash. About to get the car wash. Oh, it definitely need it. Definitely need it, y'all. Oh, and it's hot out here too. Shoot, I need some tires still. Clean the tires and stuff. Whew. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all a little later.